On top with tori for today, presidential task force on top COVID-19 don go brief Presido Buhari for State House for Abuja. Presidential task force on top coronavirus disease for Naija don waka go State House for Abuja to follow Presido Muhammadu Buhari talk on top how the yamayama disease matter dey be for the country. Boss Mustapha, wey be chairman on top the task force, come follow tori people talk on top the yamayama disease wey dey for the country. The task force tok say e no too dey well, say Naija pipo no dey follow the law wey federal government don put for ground on top the yamayama disease at all. But Mustapha tok say the task force never begin use the coronavirus cure wey Madagascar do, sake of say Presido Buhari tok say make scientists first test am before dem begin use am take treat pipo.
Proposals were brought today for consideration of Mr. President. Looking at it holistically, it will put us in a better frame to deal with the future. Because we are in for a long haul. This is not a short distance race, it's a marathon, and we have to keep everything in perspective. What we intend to do now as a task force is to come down to the level of having the communities take ownership of the response. Let the communities acknowledge the fact that there's a COVID-19 that is deadly, that it can ravage their health and their wealth. And the most important thing for them to do is to begin to take personal responsibility on dealing with it. All of them should be overseers of their communities. They should watch out for people who have symptoms for testing and isolation. That way you plug them out of the community and you reduce the risk of further transmission.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say presidential task force on top COVID-19 don go brief Presido Buhari for State House or Abuja. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na carry this ogbonge informate come give una as the hot.